Funded by local budgets, organizations and individuals, many communal houses in the province of Nghe An have been recently restored. This not only contributes to promoting the unique cultural values of the locality, but also facilitates more community activities amongst local people. The Dong Châu communal house of Nam Chum Commune, Nam Dan district, was built more than 200 years ago. Due to the war, the communal house was relocated to set up markets and build warehouses. In 2006, this ancient house was restored to meet the demand of locals. In addition to the value of the spiritual cultural heritage, this house is also a venue for village meetings.
After 2 years of intensive restorations, we have finally received the title of historical and cultural relic. Up until now, we have been using local households at meeting places.
Over time, along with the ups and downs of history and war, the communal house in Hoa Thanh Commune had reached a state of ruin. In order to restore the building, which dates back 1,000 years, Hoa Thanh Commune has proposed many solutions to restore the house to its original size.
Local authorities have mobilized financial resources to restore the communal house and turn it into a place for communal activities.
In the past 5 years, many local authorities have collaborated with the Landscape Management Board to study documents, assess the situation, as well as identify the cultural values of the architecture and beliefs of each communal house so as to tailor an appropriate restoration plan. However, the restoration of the houses also faces many difficulties due to lack of capital.
It is in the local people's deepest wish to have the communal house restored to its original state. Furthermore, more financial resources should be allocated to support the demand of locals in terms of spiritual needs.
According to statistics in Nghe An province, there are still over 100 communal houses, of which over 20 houses have been ranked. The communal house is the symbolic soul of the Vietnamese villages, where the community gathers and connects.